Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to do a video featuring products that don't cost more than 20 bucks. So that means everything from foundation, brows, lipstick, eyeliner, all the above. A lot of these products you can find in your drugstore, because I use everything from Physician Formula to Maybelline to L'Oreal. But then there's still some products that you would get online, so stuff from BH Cosmetics and ColourPop, because those are still under the price point, and that means that they're still pretty accessible to people. So if you would like to see how I create this look, and if you would like to see more, then come on everybody, cello! So first things first, I'm going to use my Maybelline Master Prime Face Primer, which retails for $7.99 at Target. Next, to prime my eyes, I'm going to use this Physician Formula Matte Eyeshadow Primer, and it costs $7.19. And of course, my favorite eyebrow product is ColourPop's Eyebrow Pencil in Black and Brown for $5. Next, I'm going to clean up my eyebrows using another ColourPop favorite of mine, their concealer, which only costs $6. And I'm going to make sure that my eyebrows are nice and clean and blended out. So I can't find my LA Pro Conceal Color Corrector, so I'm going to use this NYX Butter Lip Cream in the color Big Cherry and apply this all over the dark marks on my face. And this product only costs $6.49. And then I'm going to go in with an old favorite of mine, this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. And as you can see, it is a full coverage foundation, matte, and completely matches my face color. And of course, that red lipstick that I use completely camouflaged my dark marks, and it's a great dupe if you can't find your color corrector. Next, I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics B palette, which I received with my It's My Ray Ray collaboration palette. And I love this palette. I think the colors are so pretty. And it retails for $14.50 on BH Cosmetics website or $7.29 on Ulta. So you should go to your local Ulta and get this palette if you like it. The first color I'm going to use in this palette is called Thoughtful, and I'm just going to apply this to the crease of my eyes. Next, I'm going to use the color Inspired and just use that to deepen my crease. And I'm just going to zoom in so you can see the look a little better. Next, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. And this costs $7.99, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid. After applying that concealer, I'm going to use the color Able and apply that all over my eyelids. Next, I'm going to spray my brush with a little bit of L'Oreal's Infallible Pro Spray and use the color Hopeful and just apply that over my eyelid color to really make it pop. And for my inner corner of my eye, I'm going to go in with the color Charismatic. I'm just going to go back in with the color Thoughtful and apply that back on my crease just to deepen it again since it got a little washed out. And I'm going to add the color Grateful to my brow bone again to give it a bit of a highlight. Next, I'm going to apply my Lock-It eyeliner, which retails for $14, and just give myself a bit of a wing. And it's the return of my favorite Eyelure lashes in the style Casually Glamorous, which is a collaboration with Nicole Guerrero. Next, I'm going to go back to my face and apply some of that ColourPop concealer to the high points of my face, so my forehead, my cheeks, my nose, and my chin. I'm just going to blend it all out and set it with a little bit of Airspun Translucent Setting Powder, which you can find in your local drugstore for $5.99. I'm just going to brush off that powder a little bit because it can leave a white cast if you leave it on for too long. Next, I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. bronzer and blush duo, and I'm just going to bronze my face, and this retails for $3.99. I'm just going to lessen that contour with a bit of blending. And to warm up my face, I'm going to use this Milani bronzer in the color Soleil, and it retails for $7.99. To finish up my eyes, I'm just going to use the color Thoughtful and apply that on my lower lash line. And then I'm just going to fill in my mole real quick. I'm going to apply a bit of mascara using L'Oreal's Lash Paradise Mascara, which retails for $4.59. And for blush, I'm going to use this Milani Baked Blush in the color Coralina, and it's only $6.99. For that glow, I'm going to use a e.l.f. highlight, which retails for $6. And because I really want that highlight to pop, I'm just going to use a little bit of that L'Oreal setting spray again and just add a bit more highlight. To clean up the highlight a little bit, I'm just going to go over it with a brush. And hi Marley, how are you doing? For my lips, I'm going to go back in with my all-time favorite lip duo. This is by It's My Ray Ray and ColourPop, her Razor lip pencil, which is only $5, but I'm pretty sure it's out of stock. It was a limited run. And then I'm going to follow it up with her Stingray liquid lipstick, and there you have it. That is the look for all of the products under 20 bucks. So, this concludes the video. I hope you all like it. I had a blast going back into the archives and getting some of my favorite drugstore products and some of the products that I forgot about, like this Milani bronzer that I had, you know, the Airspun powder. And it's amazing how many products that you can get for under 20 bucks. You don't have to get that really expensive eyeliner. You don't have to get that really expensive, you know, foundation. You can just get one from your local drugstore, and they have some really pigmented and awesome formulas nowadays, especially from Maybelline and L'Oreal. Those are my favorite drugstore formulas for foundation. As you can see, I could even find my red color corrector, which I usually use the LA Pro Girl color corrector. So I used this NYX lipstick, and what do you know, it actually worked to color correct my skin pretty nicely. Thank you all for watching, and if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. And if you haven't, come on, it's just a click of the button. It doesn't hurt you to subscribe. You know you want to subscribe, so just click on that button. I'll see you all in a couple days, and I hope you all have a great week. Bye!